Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really awesome, which is this one. So this is a Toyota Supra, and this is by Tomica and from their premium unlimited series. And so this one is from the Fast and the Furious movie series. So I never actually expected the box to be this big. I thought it is small as the other ones, which we normally see. So because I do have this Speed Racers Mark 5, so it came in a you know normal box. So whatever Tomicas I own so far, either it came in a box, so except for the Mitsubishi Lancer which we unboxed, I think yesterday. So that one came in that what do you call that? The protective film, the protective coating or whatever it is. So it came in that specific thing. That's the first time I owned something in Tomica like that, and this is first for this one actually. Okay, so here is the box first. So I bought this for somewhere around I think 1500 or so, don't remember. So one of my friend Rian helped me to buy this. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, I saw a video long back on this Tomica one. It has some kind of like assembly, if I'm not wrong. So there is nothing else inside the box, if you guys are wondering what is inside. Okay, let's keep this aside, and here it is. Okay, I don't see any assembly here, but the packaging looks a bit different than it normally does. I thought there is going to be something inside. Okay, let's take out the car. Okay, here is the closer look. So the first impressions of this car, this one looks absolutely phenomenal. There is no word to describe it, to be very honest. So the paint job is really perfect. It is not pixelated or anything like some other brands Hot Wheels does. So this looks absolutely awesome, and it has some acrylics for the headlights. So they actually blacked out here. This was supposed to be, I think, the air intake, if I'm not wrong. But honestly, the paint job is really awesome. I don't see any bad thing about the paint job or even the entire car. So the grill details are awesome. The fog lights are there. It is painted on, but it is embossed. Okay, so let's come to the tail lights. So the tail lights, they have some kind of acrylics here, but they painted that individual lights on top of it, which is okay because they actually thought about putting acrylic there instead of just painting the entire thing out again like some other brand, Hot Wheels. So here is the chassis. So the exhaust is really nice. It may not have a hole here, but that is a nice touch because like they didn't just paint it or paint it out or something. It is something there, like something protruding outside like a separate piece. Okay, so one more thing, the body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic, as you can see. So look at the detailing here. This one looks really awesome. The nitrous cans there, or nitrous bottles if you prefer. There's some awesome interior detail to it. Okay, so I remembered what it is now. So we can actually remove this part here. Yeah, we can remove it and becomes like this. Okay, this, you can see the detailing here, which is really awesome. Honestly, I would pay for a Tomica instead of going for a Hot Wheels Premium. So Hot Wheels Premium, okay, I agree, it has a metal base or metal chassis and a rubber tire. I personally don't prefer a rubber tire, but it is fine. Like at least 50% of people prefer that one. But look at the detailing here. I mean, the roll cage and the detailing, everything is really awesome. You can't complain about this. So we do have a Toyota Supra, if you remember. That is 150 rupees. You can see it here. That is by Hot Wheels. but I never saw. At least I don't own a Toyota Supra by Hot Wheels so far in the premium scale. I'm saying. Okay, so the spoiler is actually made of plastic. This is not metal. This piece is plastic. The rims are really nice. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, so this piece here. Okay, slipping down. Okay, so this piece here. This is actually plastic. This is not metal. This piece is plastic, but it looks really awesome. That you can do this. You can just remove this and change it to a convertible. Okay, let's see if this one has a suspension. Yes, it does. It does have a suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls really smooth. This is I don't think it is a Tomica, but it is, so far the Tomica which I own, none of them actually really rolled that well. Or, some cars doesn't even roll at all, but this one is really awesome. It rolls fast, it rolls smooth, it doesn't have much wheel wobble at all. So when it is rolling fast, you can't even see any wheel wobble, but it is there a little bit, but not much. This one is really nice. The paint job is a bit glittery, a glittery orange, but I don't know if you guys are able to see it in the video. In hands, it looks really nice. So if you guys are wondering whether you need to pick this up or not, I don't care whether you were Fast and the Furious movie franchise fan or something. But if you love cars, if you love JDMs or in general cars, so if you get a chance to buy this one, go ahead and buy it. Don't hesitate, because you might feel in the future. Because I was waiting for this for very long, but luckily I was able to get one, and it is a bit heavy as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.